Supercompany 5000 is one of the most advanced lamination coater, and the successful installment and operation in ATC is a big event for Bostik Asia Flexpack department. Firstly, it will accelerate our new product development. How to simulate customer online process is one of the big challenge for us, and this coater has provided the best solution. Secondly, it will play an important role in Bostik Flexpack University. Bostik Flexpack University is a communication platform which will invite our suppliers, our partners, our customers to discover some topics of common interest.